Hey guys, welcome to Larry's Garage. We were gonna start off in the shop, but it looks like Ruger, my German Shepherd, he wants to go play ball for a while, and he will drive me nuts until I do, because he will not go back in the house. So, hang on. Ruger, come here, buddy. Come here. Come on, around here. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Ruger. There. Come on. Good boy. Sit. Wait. Come on. There. Good boy. Sit. Wait. There. Come on. Good boy. Had shoulder surgery a few years ago. Kind of hurts a little bit when you throw the ball. It ain't bad. There. Good boy. Sit. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. There. What? What do you got on your mind? Huh? Give me a ball. Get back here. You wanna go in? Wanna go and see Mom? Want to see Mom? No? Good boy, aren't you? Come here. No, you won't juice it. What are you gonna do? Hmm? Come on. Let's go and see Mom. Get off my glasses. No, come on. Let's go see Mom. Oh, you still want to play? Thought you were done. Thought you were done. Whoop. Huh? Thought you were done. There. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, he's 9 months old. He's a good dog, that's for sure. Smart as a whip. There. There. Good boy. All right, well, I can get back to it. Come on, Ruger. Come on. Go in. All right, guys. What we got to work on is these brackets for the steps. Well, they're pretty rotten. I'm sure you can buy them somewhere, but I'm not restoring this truck. It's an old hot rod. So we're going to remove them here Once we get them off, we'll clean this bracket up. And I made a pair of these. And they've already been marked to cut them down. And once we get them cut down, we'll get them welded up on the top brackets. From there, we'll cut the part of the step, what we need to cut off of the step. All right, you'll see. All right. Here we go. All right, this bracket right here, you see, I took it off, ground it off, took the old bracket off, built this new bracket, got it clamped in. I'll end up just welding it because I don't really need it to unbolt. I can unbolt here, 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 and at the fender to get the step back off. Weld it to there. I'll weld it to the back part of the step here and out here, and then we're going to cut the center of the step out. We'll cut the center of the step out, put the stainless in there and countersink screws into it to hold it. But I think for the night, I'm probably done. I need to go in and take a shower, relax a little bit, eat some supper before I have to go to bed. Be back on tomorrow night. Have a good night, guys.